What if I told you that you could create a fully illustrated children's book with professional narration in under 90 seconds? Sounds impossible, right? Well, Google just dropped something that's about to change everything we know about storytelling. Welcome back to the channel, everyone. And today we're diving deep into Gemini Storybook, the revolutionary new feature that's turning every people into authors faster than you can say once upon a time. I'm absolutely blown away by what artificial intelligence can do these days, and this might just be the most exciting development I've seen all year. We're not just talking about generating some text on a page here. We're talking about complete picture books with consistent characters, engaging storylines, beautiful illustrations, and even read-aloud functionality that sounds like it came from a professional audiobook studio. But before we jump into the tutorial, let me paint you a picture of just how game-changing this really is. Traditionally, creating a children's book involves multiple steps that could take months. You need to write the story, hire an illustrator, work through multiple revisions, find a publisher or self-publish, and handle all the technical aspects of formatting and distribution. The costs alone could run into thousands of dollars, and that's assuming you have the writing and artistic skills to pull it off. Now, with Gemini Storybook, that entire process has been condensed into a simple conversation with AI. You describe what you want, hit enter, and watch as your idea transforms into a complete, shareable, printable book that looks like it came from a professional publishing house. The implications are staggering when you really think about it. Let me walk you through exactly how this works, starting with the simplest method. When you open Gemini on the web, you'll notice the interface has gotten a major refresh. The chat prompt bar is now front and center, with quick access tools for creating videos, conducting research, generating images, and accessing guided learning prompts. But we're here for something even more exciting. The easiest way to access Storybook is surprisingly straightforward. You simply type, "Create a storybook about," followed by whatever topic you want to explore. For our first example, let's keep things simple and educational. I'll use this demo prompt. My 7-year-old doesn't want to sleep over at their grandma's house. Create a storybook to help them cope. Watch what happens next. Gemini immediately gets to work, first creating an initial draft of your story, then generating custom illustrations that match the narrative. The entire process takes less than 2 minutes, which is absolutely mind-blowing when you consider what's happening behind the scenes. The results are impressive. You get a complete 10-page book with a custom cover that includes your name as the author, pulled directly from your Google profile. The story follows logical character development with consistent themes throughout. In this example, we meet characters like Barnaby, how to brave sleepover in Grandma's house. Now let's talk about the technical aspects that make this so remarkable. The AI maintains character consistency throughout the book, though it's not 100% perfect. But considering this entire book was generated in under 90 seconds, these minor inconsistencies are hardly worth complaining about. Navigation through your storybook is intuitive. You can use arrow buttons to move between pages, click directly on the book to flip pages, or view everything in full screen mode for a more immersive reading experience. The interface feels polished and professional, not like some experimental AI tool that's still in beta testing. Here's where things get really exciting. Your finished storybook isn't just for viewing on screen. You can share it publicly through a generated link that works even for people who don't have Gemini access. You can post it directly to social media platforms, or you can print it out as a physical book. Think about that for a moment. You could literally become a published author and have physical copies in your hands within minutes of having the initial idea. But wait, there's more. Every storybook comes with built-in narration functionality. Click the listen button and your book transforms into an audiobook experience with professional quality voiceover.
Soon, it was time for bed. As Barnaby changed into his starry pajamas, the wobbly feeling came back. The shadows in the room looked different from the shadows in his room at home. He missed his mama and papa. A little tear trickled down his furry cheek. Grandma noticed his sad face. She sat beside him and didn't
The
say
narrator reads your
"Don't be
entire
scared."
story while the pages
Instead,
turn
she
automatically,
opened her paw
creating an
and showed
experience
him a
that rivals
small,
commercial
smooth
children's
stone.
audiobooks.
This is a bravery
You can even
stone,
adjust the pitch
she
of the
said
voice,
softly.
restart from the
Whenever you
beginning,
hold it,
or
it
toggle the
reminds
full
you that
screen
you have
listening
all
mode on and
the
off.
bravery you need right inside you.
Now, if the simple prompt method doesn't work for some reason, there's an alternative access method. Click the hamburger menu in the top left corner and look for Storybook under the Gems section. If it's not immediately visible, click on Explore Gems to find the pre-made Google options. This method gives you additional guidance and examples of what's possible with the tool. This is where Gemini Storybook really starts to show its advanced capabilities. You can upload images and files as part of your prompt, request specific illustration styles, create books in any language that Gemini supports, and even generate coloring books instead of traditional illustrated stories. The level of customization available is remarkable. Let me demonstrate with a more complex example. I'll create a story about 13-year-old boy, soccer lover. Tell this boy how to improve his soccer skills. I'll upload actual photos of this boy to see if Gemini can recreate its appearance in the illustrations. The results are surprisingly accurate. The AI captures key details like the cloth color and overall shape, though there are some variations in features like eyes and stitching between scenes. But again, we're talking about a custom illustrated book created in about 60 seconds based on uploaded photos. The technology behind this is absolutely incredible. I've also tested creating other funny contents. For example, my son loves the game Minecraft, so I created a big adventure for him. Isn't it interesting? For even more fun, you can print it out and let your child color the images themselves. Of course, the system isn't perfect. Sometimes Gemini might misinterpret your prompt or create content that doesn't quite match your vision. Currently, you can't edit specific pages within a book. If you want changes, you need to regenerate the entire story with a new prompt. However, all previous versions remain accessible in your chat history, so you never lose earlier iterations. This limitation is relatively minor when you consider the broader implications of what's possible here. Think about all the practical applications. Parents can create personalized bedtime stories featuring their children as main characters. Teachers can develop custom educational materials that align perfectly with their lesson plans. Small business owners can create unique marketing materials or customer gifts. The possibilities are genuinely endless. You could create birthday books, anniversary commemorations, travel journals, educational content, job application materials, or even commercial children's books for actual publication. The barrier to entry for creative storytelling has essentially disappeared overnight. What really excites me about Gemini Storybook is how it democratizes creative expression. You don't need artistic skills, writing experience, or technical knowledge to create professional quality content. The AI handles all the complex work while you focus on the creative vision and personal touches that make each story unique. The feature is currently available to all Gemini users over 18 and is rolling out to mobile devices. It works in all languages supported by Gemini, making it accessible to a global audience. This international accessibility means we're likely to see an explosion of diverse storytelling as people from different cultures and backgrounds start experimenting with the technology. As we wrap up this deep dive into Gemini Storybook, I want you to consider what this means for the future of content creation. We're witnessing the early stages of a fundamental shift in how creative work gets done. The tools that once required specialized skills and significant resources are becoming accessible to everyone. This doesn't mean human creativity becomes less important. If anything, it means your unique ideas, personal experiences, and creative vision become more valuable because the technical barriers to expressing them have been removed. Your imagination is now the only limit to what you can create and share with the world. I'm genuinely curious to see what incredible stories you'll create with this technology. Will you make personalized gifts for family members? Educational content for your community? Commercial products for your business? The creative possibilities are as limitless as your imagination, and I can't wait to see what amazing stories emerge from this incredible new tool. So share your story in the comments. See you in the next video. Good luck!